Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This is a design team project for ARTYmaze, and I've used her new kit, the William-Morris digital kit. Absolutely lovely, beautiful designs on there, and they mix well with lots of other kits as well. I've also used a touch of spring and maybe a few bits from the Spring Mist collection as well. So I've done a traveler's notebook size, as I normally do, and I've actually used some of the papers from the kit to do my cover, and that's just been, I've used a gel medium to put that on, and then it's actually, it's not a gel medium, it's a matte medium gel, whatever it's called. It's that. So I've used that, and I've put it on the top as well. The journal measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. There is one signature, 68 pages front and back. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and the William-Morris kit will be listed below as well. Absolutely gorgeous. There's collage pages, there's full pages, there's tags, and you know, you can do so much with this kit. So let's go inside this. Well, actually, I'll talk about the front first. Very simple front cover. I've just put a little bit of lace, crocheted trim actually, down the front there, because I did have to use 2 pages to do the cover, because of how mine prints. It doesn't print with a I can't do it without the, like, what do you call it, around the edge, and you get a little white bit, even though you want to print it full page. Border, that's the word, couldn't think of what it was called. So I then just printed off 2 sheets, and I just kind of patched it there like you would do with wallpaper, and just put the trim on there to cover that little line, even though the little line looked absolutely fine anyway, because it kind of blends in with the papers. The image here is from A Touch of Spring, I think. And there's like 3-4 layers here, and it's all been stitched. We have eyelets, there is organza ribbon as a closure, got some tabs on there as well. These are so pretty papers, they're so pretty. Let me make sure I'm in frame here. So this is one of the pages from that kit, and like I said, so pretty, really pretty. I've used I have made like tags and journal cards. I've made my pockets using the pages as well. This is one of the pages, because you've got lighter colours, darker colours, and it's quite a big collection from that kit. I think there's an add-on as well, so I've used that. These are from, can't remember now, I think they might be from A Touch, no? Spring Mist, I think. I'm all confused now, because I've used springy ones, and because the colours, this is quite vibrant, it did kind of come through on here, but I think it looks lovely. Saved me stenciling, but it's all coffee dyed as well. Again, I've used some of the pages, and I've just cut them up into tags. This is one of the tags from the kit. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is from the Touch of Spring or Spring Mist, one of them 2 kits. The butterfly here is glued right down. Actually, it's not right down. So I think I've left some of them a little bit, like, you know, dimensional. Doily, we have music paper, paper bag, another tag, which is just tucked in that envelope flap there. This is the old design shop, but this tag is from the kit. And actually, let me show you that. This is from A Touch of Spring, and there's another envelope throughout, and it's got one of these in it as well. So when I get there, I don't have to show you that, because it's just exactly the same as this. And there's a lot of sparkle on this, because I had lots of mic powders in my coffee water, and I've used this stuff, which is Glamour Dust. That years, I think Lou got me that, because I couldn't get it in my range, and that's Lou Greenwood. She had got me that as another page from that kit. So pretty. That's the Glamour Dust on that. There is going to be sparkle in this. It's going to fall around all over the place. Another tag that I made from one of the pages. This is one of the tags from the kit. and this is from A Touch of Spring, I think it is. Got some crocheted trim, we've got a double layer of full stamps there, and then this butterfly with the glamour dust on it. I'm not sure if the camera is actually picking up the glamour dust. Coffee dyed paper. This is one of the pages from the Spring Mist, and I've just shrunk it right down, I think, to about 70%, and I made 2 tags out of it, this being one of them. Then I used some book pages and made some envelopes. There's nothing in it because this is really thick. Using some of the pages, patched this one up with another page. Used some of the freebies from ARTYmaze on there, the spring words, and there you have an envelope, and it's all been stitched. Oops, this is one of the tags that I made. Used some of the papers that they are already collaged for you, but I still cut them up and I still done my own collaging with them. Excuse me, that's because I haven't spoken in hours. Just a little drink then. So there's collaging in the background, that's a little tag there with the little bunnies on there. Another tag, butterfly with the glamour dust on there, and then that's a freebie, and that's a freebie. And I actually used book pages to do this, and then I covered it all over. So it's a good basis to make your tags rather than wasting your cardstock. Another lovely page from the kit. Here, another corner tuck with a butterfly on a full stamp. We have some more tags made from one of the pages. That is from the kit, and that is from the Touch of Spring. We have a doily, some music paper, paper bag. It's just, oh, I thought I was stuck together then. Another tag that I made, like doing the collaging as well. Some scrap pieces there, freebie word here, the butterfly with the sparkle on there, and this is one of the little journal cards, and it's all been stitched. This is the Old Design Shop. And I think on the other side we have this journal card that I made. I used an index card, did have to trim a little bit off the edge, otherwise it was going to be too big for this size journal. Again, done collaging with the cut up pieces from one of the collage pages. Tab, glamour dust on the butterfly. This is from the Touch of Spring, so that goes on there. We've got lots of coffee dyed papers to journal on. Then I made a smaller index card, which you wouldn't know it was an index card now. Glamour dust on there, stitching, collaging, another little postcard on there. They're just really pretty colours. And that's the other tag from one of the pages that I shrunk down. That's from Spring Mist. Paper bag, some music paper, another corner tuck using one of the pages, full stamp and a butterfly, and another tag that I made from the papers, and that's a tag from the kit. They're just so pretty, and they're very spring-like. Well, not all of the papers are, because like I said, you do get the darker papers in that kit as well, so do go over and have a peek. That's from A Touch of Spring, but the papers that I used were the lighter ones to go with the spring feel. This is it's another book page. I did coffee dye that, added a little bit of gesso, and I just added the paper straight onto it, sewed all around, and boom, got an envelope. And the little stopper there, as you can see, there was nothing in the envelope. That's a freebie, and I just put that, it's on cardstock, and then I backed it onto more cardstock and used my pinking shears to go around that. There we go. Oh, just another tag from the kit. Another pocket here, double layer of full stamps there, and some crocheted trim. And like I said, all the pockets are made out of the pages from the kit. Another tag from one of the pages, another tag from the kit, and a tag from A Touch of Spring. this, I love this tag for some reason. I don't know why. This is one of the favourite ones that I made. Again, collaged on there, freebie word, a little bit of scrap that I had laying around, little journaling card, a butterfly with the sparkle on there. And that's paper clipped on. I've got another tag the other side of that as well. And oh, I like that one too. Well, of course I like them. I do like them all, but you know when you make something and you think, oh, that's my favourite. But you've always got your favourite page or your favourite tag or whatever. So yeah, again, that one wasn't actually collaged. That was just one of the pieces of paper that I had just left over. Freebie word, a little bit of scrap there, this journal card, and it says spring, little birdies in the nest, butterfly with some sparkle. And again, that was just book page. I did actually double them over. These are really nice and thick, these tags. A tab there, envelope, had to add the bunny envelope because it's spring themed, William Morris spring themed journal. Oh, I said I wasn't going to do that, but I've just done it. Just shows you how quickly I forget, like from 5 minutes ago. Like a goldfish. That's the old design shop. That's another tag from the William Morris kit. And paper bag, music paper, doily, and then another corner pocket using one of the pages, and then a collection of tags. That's a tag from one of the pages, tag that's in the kit, and that is from Spring Mist. Nope. Spring, touch of spring. I've got spring mist in the brain, I have. And full stamp butterfly, and that is the back. So that's the journal. It does weigh quite a little bit for a journal, because there's lots of heavy papers and stuff used in this. So I will put the link below to the William Morris kit. I think there's two. I think it's the main kit and then an add-on kit. Oh, I can't tie this up for... I'm rubbish at tying bows. So I'm going to be doing some lives. I've already asked some ladies on the chat group, the Junk Journal Junkies chat group, and there's quite a lot of them that said yes to it. Hopefully my internet is going to play nicely out here and I can do the lives. I'm not sure, but I wanted to do it tomorrow night, but I have to go shopping. It just depends on what time I get back, because I do like to go shopping in the evening when it's a little bit quieter because of, you know, COVID and stuff like that. I just prefer that, you know, for my own peace of mind. But anyway, hopefully, when I say evenings, I am talking maybe 8-9 o'clock at night anyway, so that people internationally can join in too, because there's no point in doing it like 12, like midday or something like that, when most people could still be in bed. So trying to make it so that it's easy for like most people to watch. Obviously I can't suit it around everybody all around the world, and I am obviously suiting it, like, you know, for myself a lot anyway, so I'm going to shut up talking now. But anyway, I will put an announcement up on YouTube at least 2-3 hours before I will be doing the video, so that you know, as I set a reminder. I'm going to try and work that one out, and I will also put that up on the chat group as well, give you a little bit of notice of you know, when I'm going to do that. So anyway, back to this. If you have any questions about this, please ask. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.